The SpringWell Futuresoft provides a super simple way to protect your plumbing and appliances from limescale buildup without the use of salt or chemicals and with practically no maintenance at all. I'm going to break down why this conditioner is a great purchase for the price, our overall experience installing it and using it after a few months, who I'd recommend it to, who I wouldn't, as well as a few things that I really love about it and a few things that I don't. Stay tuned because it's all coming up. Hey guys, Brian from waterfilterguru.com, and let's get right to the point and talk about price. Coming in at $1,500, this isn't the cheapest water conditioner out there. That being said, there are no ongoing maintenance costs associated with the Futuresoft aside from replacing the post-sediment filter every 9 months or so, which costs about 20 bucks. It uses a proven process called template assisted crystallization, or TAC for short, to alter the structure of hard water minerals. This crystallizes them, preventing them from sticking to each other or surfaces and forming limescale. The TAC process prevents buildup inside pipes, fixtures, and heating elements, and also removes any existing scale that might be there as well. Here are the 9 reasons why I love this conditioner. Number 1 is that it didn't impact our flow rate or water pressure at all after we installed it. It's environmentally friendly too, so it doesn't use water or salt or electricity like a traditional water softener does. So if you live in a community where water softeners might be illegal, you can still use a TAC conditioner like this one. It also doesn't cause that weird slippery feel that you get from soft water. Quick question for you. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, let me know down in the comments. We're always looking for ways to improve our content, and your feedback really helps us do that. Moving on, every component used in the system is NSF certified for materials safety. The TAC media filters up to 1 million gallons of water, so that should last for about 6 years before you'll have to replace the media in the tank. The sediment filter comes included, and last but certainly not least, the system is essentially set and forget and requires no ongoing monthly maintenance. There are just a few things with the system I'm not too keen on. First, there's no way to actually test to see if the system's working or not. You'll still see some hard water spotting on surfaces like faucets or countertops, so although it's unable to stick and form scale, you'll still need to be wiping it away. The installation might be a bit too complex for some folks, so that means you would have the additional costs of hiring a professional to come in and do it for you. Finally, it most likely requires additional pre-treatment if the water source is from a private well, since well water contains harsh contaminants that will foul the media quicker. So the $1,500 price tag might be a little steep for some folks, but in my opinion, the hands-off, set it and forget it nature of this system really makes it worth it. That being said, there are a few situations where I really would not recommend this conditioner. If you're trying to actually soften your water and completely eliminate hard water minerals, then this type of TAC conditioner is not the system that you're looking for. I also wouldn't recommend the system if you're renting your home, and that's because the installation is just too complex and invasive. Now, if you are a homeowner, this system is a great way to deal with limescale issues in your plumbing and appliances. If you don't want the ongoing hassle and maintenance of a water softener, then a TAC conditioner like this is a great alternative to consider. It's also great for folks who might be on a low sodium diet and don't want to be drinking the small amount of sodium that would be added to their water from a traditional ion exchange salt-based water softening system. If you want to purchase the Futuresoft, there's a link and discount code in the description for you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the next video coming up, which is our review of the SpringWell CF whole home filtration system. Click or tap the screen right now to check it out.